because they came to this country. What do you do? My father was a butcher first, but that didn't work out. Someone taught him the glass business, but he actually has, they called him the man with the golden hands. He was a carpenter, and that man could really build. So what we did, we had, first they came in and they lived with my father's family, downtown East Side. Then they moved out to Long Island in New York. And I was born in Brooklyn. They had a glass store. And the glass store, we lived in back of the store and over the store. My mother, my sweet mother, learned to cut glass and frame pictures. And at that time, they made window shades. Window shades were made out of Holland linen. I remember that. Sized to be very stiff. My mother, when they bring the roller in, my mother would measure it, order a window shade, take the old window shades and wash them and boil them and boil them, and then you have linen. So my mother would make slip covers, pillow covers. Nothing went to waste. Very amazing. Also, when some of the young men came over from Europe, my father would teach them a trade, the glass business. Actually, I saw a New York paper and the name Cogman was still in New York. My father wasn't the best businessman, but he was very talented. And he couldn't pay them, so my mother would feed them. And they might have slept in the store till they found a place to go. And most of them became very successful glaziers and mirror work in New York. Interesting. But my mother would feed them, and she could add another potato, another cup of water. She was immaculate, my mother. You walked in, and in the front was a picture frame. You saw picture frames. And you'd walk in, and on the wall was samples. And in the back was a long room. They had glass lined in partitions. All the salesmen would come on Friday because we had a kitchen in the back, and my brothers actually slept in the back. They would come Friday because you could smell the chicken soup, the gefilte fish, and my mother would feed everybody.